Joey Calzaghe is a legendary retired Welsh boxer widely regarded as one of Britain's all-time greats. Joey Calzaghe remains a towering figure in boxing, undefeated across 46 pro fights, a record holder in title defenses and a unifier of belts across divisions. His peerless work rate, adaptability and resilience define a career that took British boxing to new heights. Whether mentoring young fighters or inspiring through public speaking, Calzaghe's impact endures far beyond the ring. His paternal grandparents settled in Britain after the Second World War, during which his grandfather Giuseppe had served in the 12th Infantry Division Sassari but had returned to live in Italy by the end of the 1950s. Calzaghe's father worked several jobs as a teenager in Italy, including as a barman, a chef and a cleaner before traveling Europe as a busker. He eventually arrived back in Britain to visit family in Bournemouth. In 2007, Calzaghe won the BBC Sports Personality of the Year award, making him the first Welsh winner of this award since David Broom in 1960. Calzaghe was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 2014. He was nicknamed the Pride of Wales and the Italian Dragon. Between 2006 and 2008, Calzaghe was ranked by The Ring as one of the world's top 10 active boxers, pound for pound, reaching a peak ranking of 3rd in January 2009. He retired in February 2009 with an undefeated record of 46 wins and as a reigning world champion. As of December 2024, BoxRec ranks Calzaghe as the 37th greatest fighter of all time, pound for pound, as well as the 2nd greatest European boxer of all time. Calzaghe is the longest reigning super middleweight world champion in boxing history, having held the World Boxing Organization (WBO) title for over 10 years and defending it against 20 opponents before moving up to light heavyweight. As his super middleweight and light heavyweight reigns overlap, he retired with the longest continual time as world champion of any active boxer at the time. Calzaghe was the first boxer to unify 3 of the 4 major world titles at super middleweight and was the inaugural ring champion in that weight class. Calzaghe has 3 sons to form an 11-year marriage to Mandy Davis from 1994 to 2005 and one from a 3-year relationship with Katie Matthews. Calzaghe split up with his girlfriend of 5 years, Jo Emma Larvin, in 2009 after participating in the 7th series of the BBC's Strictly Come Dancing series, partnering with Russian professional Kristina Ryanov. Calzaghe and Ryanov began a relationship soon thereafter. However, the couple announced the amicable breakup of their relationship in August 2013.